Hey, I'm Tom White from the Morgan County High School Digital Media Department in Madison, Georgia. A month or so ago, I did the unboxing of the Sound Shark, and since then I've had a lot of opportunities to really get out and get to know what the Sound Shark will do. The Sound Shark is a parabolic microphone that's actually small enough to fit and work on a camera. You don't have to have an external person. You don't have to have anyone running down the sideline of a football game. You can literally put it on the shoe mount of your camera, which is what I've done here. This one is an XLR mount. There are a variety of inputs and outputs there. But long story short on what a parabolic mic is it actually channels the sound waves to this tiny lavalier microphone right in the middle there, and you see the cross member there and the microphone goes there. I used it most recently for a baseball game because one of the things that I found that our broadcasts were lacking was good audio coming from the field. Well, I didn't really know what I was going to getting myself into. I expected the crack of the bat. I expected, the pop of the glove. I didn't expect to be able to hear the pitcher exhale when they pitched. I didn't expect to hear a kid spit on the other side of the dugout, and that'll be, you'll see that in just a moment. So take a minute, watch these clips. The way it's set up, the first clip is just with a shotgun microphone, and I didn't go cheap. I used a real good brand name shotgun microphone that was probably in the same price range as the Sound Shark. And then on the other channel, I used the Sound Shark, and they were pointed in the same direction, same camera. All I did in editing was I changed the channels of the input in Premiere Pro. So the first clips you're gonna hear are with just a shotgun. Now, it was a windy day, so you're gonna hear a little bit of rumbling from the wind. Both the Sound Shark had its, I called this just a protective cover when I did the unboxing, but it's actually a windscreen. The guys at Clover were like, hey, White, that's actually a windscreen. So it's a windscreen, so you're gonna hear a little rumbling of the wind. You're also gonna hear that in the shotgun microphone as well. So enjoy this, just give it a thought. Watch it, I'll be back in a minute.
Hey, let's go, Tiz. Come on, kid. Hey, let's go, Tiz. Come on, kid. Hey, ball for baby. Here we go. Hey, don't chase. Hey, ball for baby. Here we go. Hey, don't chase.
So how about that last clip, huh? Now, here's the cool thing about that. I was 75 to 100 feet away, and you could hear the spit. I mean, it was pretty cool, actually. It was one of those things where I was like, well, baseball's kind of a dirty sport anyway, so it just kind of works out. Make sure to check out the Sound Shark. You can go to Clover Products, you can Google it. There'll be a link below in the description. Again, it's a parabolic microphone. It's pretty price friendly in terms of what you can do with it and where you can go with it. It definitely will work for a school broadcast program to really amplify what you do in terms of audio. So I thank you for taking your time to watch, and have a great day and go make some awesome.